to show you how you can be motivated, how you can be having a positive mindset. So without further ado, the topic, as you can see on the screen, is motivation and positive thinking. I welcome every one of you all, and thank you for joining this webinar. What you saw in the earlier video, that was all about the good health that I'm part of this global enterprise called ZXN. But that's not my topic. My topic is basically two very important areas that we need to work on, and that is the need of the hour. I mean, since last almost 1.5 years, we are seeing, and what Shebi just mentioned, what's happening in the Middle East, it's happening all around the world. So the agenda of today's webinar, everybody is curious. What I'm going to talk is what is motivation and how to be motivated. That's the topic. Positive thoughts and action. How to avoid and eliminate negative thoughts with positive thoughts. And so I'm going to do some exercise also. But prior to that, I would request all of you all to be with me for this coming 15 minutes to an hour. This may change your life if you take it really seriously. You need not to write notes, but listen and ask me question right in the end. And I would request, all the mobiles that you are having, so put it in the silent mode so that you don't get disturbed in this 1 hour time. I've got a gift at the end of the webinar because everybody would like to be motivated. Then what is the way that I'm going to give it right in the end? If you have questions, please write in the chat box and send it across. And our panelists, they are going to take out the questions and I'm going to answer right in there. That is the best part of this webinar. And of course, there are 2 polls. And in the polls, I would like you to participate. There is a very simple yes-no answer, one simple question, and that will let me know that you are there listening. And most important, once you participate, then only you enjoy the whole session. So sit back, enjoy, and learn from this webinar. So the first question is, what is motivation? This is a beautiful picture. There is always a carrot in front. This is the carrot story where you get motivated because of certain thing. So the definition, in my opinion, is that drive, that passion, that fire that you have, which makes you get up in the morning and go out to brace the world, your work, your business, whatever you are doing. So motivation is a very, very important area. So I would like you to go into the poll, and Ashwin, if you can just get the poll up. And can any motivational speaker, he can be the biggest motivational speaker, can he or she motivate you? Just click yes or no, and that will be something that I'm looking forward to. And you have got exactly 1 minute. And in 1 minute, it's a very simple question. Can I motivate you? Even whatever years of speaking that I'm doing. So it is very important, everyone, to participate. Just click on yes or no. That's it. And I'm seeing up till now, only 44 people have participated out of 80, which is on the Zoom room. I don't know about the Facebook. So it is about now 51 out of 81, and we have still the voting is going on. So we can stop over here, Ashwin. All right. And what you are looking at is 70% of the people have voted yes. Can any motivational speaker motivate you? And 30% of the people have said no. So I will now answer your question from my next slide. Now look at the top of the brand mobile, and that can be your i12 Max Pro. This is what it is right over there. And this can be the best phone, right, when it is fully charged. So motivation, remember, is that charge. This phone is useless without being charged. So what is happening basically in those huge motivational seminars and webinars and gathering? There is a lot of hype, there's a lot of jumping, all kind of things are happening. So the motivation is there for that day for sure, for second day and third day. What happens on the fourth day? You are back to where you are. Just remember this mobile. So no one can motivate you. So all those who have said yes, yes, temporarily you can be motivated. The person to motivate you is only you and you only. And I'll tell you,